Do you ever feel like no matter how much sleep you get or how much coffee you drink, you still hit that afternoon slump? What if I told you the key to real energy isn't found in a cup, it's inside every single cell in your body? I'm talking about your mitochondria, the tiny power plants that turn food into the energy that fuels everything you do. When they're strong, you feel unstoppable. When they're sluggish, you feel exhausted, foggy, and even gain weight. But here's the good news. You can upgrade your mitochondria, starting today. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 science-backed ways to optimize them, plus a powerful supplement that can take your results to the next level. Stick around, this could change your life. First, let's talk about why mitochondria are so important. These tiny organelles are like the batteries in your phone, except instead of powering apps, they power you. Every day, a healthy adult produces their body weight in ATP, the molecule that fuels everything from muscle contractions to brain function. But when mitochondria get damaged from stress, toxins, or aging, energy crashes, brain fog sets in, and even weight loss becomes harder. The good news? Unlike your phone battery, mitochondria can be repaired and strengthened. Here's how. Food is fuel for your mitochondria. The right nutrients can supercharge them, while the wrong ones can slow them down. Here's what to focus on. B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B12. Found in eggs, leafy greens, and grass-fed meat, these are essential for ATP production. CoQ10 and alpha-lipoic acid. These antioxidants protect mitochondria from damage. Get them from fatty fish, organ meats, or supplements. Polyphenols, berries, dark chocolate, green tea. These compounds actually stimulate the growth of new, healthier mitochondria. Exercise isn't just for burning calories, it's one of the best ways to upgrade your mitochondria. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Studies show it can increase mitochondrial density by 40% in just weeks. Strength training. Lifting weights boosts mitochondrial efficiency, helping you produce more energy with less effort. Low-intensity movement. Walking, yoga, even gentle movement helps clear out damaged mitochondria and supports recovery. Here's a surprising fact. Fasting is like a reset button for your mitochondria. When you fast for 12 to 16 hours, your body starts cleaning out old, damaged mitochondria in a process called mitophagy. This makes room for new, stronger mitochondria to take their place. Plus, fasting boosts NAD+ levels, a critical molecule for energy production. Want a quick mitochondrial boost? Try cold and heat therapy. Cold showers or ice baths activate brown fat, which burns calories to generate heat. Great for metabolism. Saunas increase heat shock proteins, which protect mitochondria from stress. Just 2 to 3 minutes of cold exposure or 15 minutes in a sauna can make a difference. Finally, don't forget the basics. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly. Poor sleep wrecks mitochondrial function. Manage stress, meditation, deep breathing. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which damages mitochondria over time. Now, what if I told you there's a way to supercharge everything we just covered? A way to give your mitochondria exactly what they need to perform at their absolute peak. Myelin is that game changer. This isn't just another energy supplement. It's a cellular powerhouse designed to provide deep, sustained energy by directly optimizing mitochondrial function at the source. While most energy products just stimulate your nervous system, Myelin works differently. It enhances your body's natural energy production by upgrading mitochondrial efficiency so you produce more ATP from the same nutrition, protecting mitochondria from oxidative damage that accelerates aging, activating cellular energy pathways that coffee and sugar can't touch. If you're ready to experience real cellular energy and finally break free from fatigue, order your Myelin today. Click the link in the description below to place your order. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It helps others discover this life-changing info. Subscribe for more science-backed health optimizations. Hit the bell so you don't miss out.